Alright guys, back with a new video. So today we are, as you can see, it's a little cold. I got a hoodie, a jacket, snowing outside. So today's not going to be a no detail video. It's not going to be with water, but I will be cleaning, like shampooing the cloth seats in my truck. So yeah. I'll show you the product if I can get it. I think I put it in here. Let's see if I did. I sure did. It's cold. This may not be operating temperatures, but it's the turtle wax. Yeah, it just says upholstery cleaner and protector for basically any fabric, seats, you name it, car seats, home furniture, pet stains, yeah. You can use it basically on anything, but I'm going to be using it on the back seats in the truck because they're just cloth. And I think that's it. Maybe some of the floor too. Some of the floor, if it has stains, I'll get it out. But all you have to do is, it says, remove brush, fill focus, remove brush, push button, slide brush top, and you just use this brush, spray it, and wait till it disappears and wipe it with a rag. So, yeah, it would be a pretty easy thing with that, but it's cold out. Like, holding this metal bottle it's not warm at all. Yeah, we're going to be doing that, and I may turn the furnace on. We have a little, like, DeWalt furnace right there. It's, it gets warm. It's 125,000 butanes, whatever that means. It's the propane one, not the kerosene one. There's a kerosene one that gets a lot hotter, but kerosene's also a lot more than propane, so there's no point of having a kerosene one in the winter, especially with how much we use it. So, yeah, I think I'll just get started on this. It's literally not getting warmer either. It's, let's see what degrees it is supposed to get to. The high is 31 and it's 29. So definitely not going to get a lot warmer. And I was going to wash the truck today if it was like 36, 37, like above freezing. But if it's not above freezing, I'm not going to turn the water on. Maybe Wednesday I can, but that's when I start school. So I'll probably just wash it on the weekend or something. So yeah, we'll get started on cleaning the cloth seats, and I'll just kind of review this, see if it's good or not. I think it was like $11. So for a bottle, I got 2 of them just to make sure I can clean. They're a pound and 2 ounce each, so 18 ounces. So yeah, I'll get started on wiping down some seats. And I'll tell you how this works. It says, generic cleaning, vacuum any loose dirt. I'll probably vacuum everything first. Vacuum even the front seats, all that. And then start with this and then wipe down everything on the inside. I'm doing like an interior cleaning video. So this is what you guys will be seeing. It does say, but this thing is cold. I'm not holding that thing any longer. I'll just get started and I'll just show you how it kind of works in a little preview, because I cannot hold that can any longer. So yeah, I'll get started. Alright, just got done with all the vacuuming. Did pretty good. As you've seen, you saw me vacuuming. But, yep, got all the vacuuming done. All the seats. I'm mainly doing the seats, and then I'll take these off because there should be, yeah, it's pretty clean under there too. So I'm just going to take these off, and I'm going to do the floors, the seats, and the floors up front. These floors. So I can clean them. They're not dirty at all. A smoker used to have this truck, and I'm just trying to get all that smell out. It's been like a year later since we had this vehicle, so just trying to see if maybe that's the issue, or if I had to, I don't know, keep doing it over time. But this is what the outside looks like. It's probably hard to see on camera. It definitely is. But you can see how dirty it is. Wheels are pretty dirty. Maybe like that view you can see. I don't know, but it's pretty dirty on the outside, and I'm not cleaning the outside with it being like 30 degrees out. Just not worth it. But you guys are going to see me cleaning just like the exterior, like all this. I'm going to clean all this first before I start on that. So, yeah, I'm going to get to that. And the next time you'll see me is when I'm going to start using the turtle wax, the shampoo stuff. So, yeah, see you then. And what I'm going to be using is it's a silk shine from Chemical Guys. It says it works on plastic and it makes it like a smooth surface. So yeah, that's what we're going to be using on it too. Alright, that's the last door I'm going to do on video because my camera battery's about to die and I only have 2 batteries and I just went through the other one already, so I'm on the last battery. So I'll just see you guys when I'm going to start doing the turtle wax. Wipe it up. I'm not going to vacuum because that seems a bit unnecessary. That was a trial run. I guess we'll do it a little bit better when we do the back. The back seats. The back of the seats, not the back seats. So I'm guessing like that. They definitely smell better, I can tell you that. Yeah, I guess we'll just continue on. I'll move the camera back so you can see those. But yeah, we'll keep going at this. Alright, now, once this focus, I'm going to be doing the is the driver's side and the passenger side floor, which is, yeah, this and those two. I've done just the back seats. I'm not going to do the floor in the back seats. They don't need it. They've been covered with 2 floor mats for a year, and they're not even dirty at all. These have been uncovered with just 1 floor mat and been dirty. So I'm going to be cleaning these, if it'll focus. But yes, I'm going to be cleaning these off camera. I can't get like an angle in here to show me doing it, so that's why I'm going to be doing it off camera. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I'm done doing this, and then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing next. All right, just got done putting that turtle wax on. The carpet looks a lot darker. Like, this was kind of hard to do, and it didn't get as much on it, but you can tell it's maybe not as dark as this. This is like clean and actually smells a lot better now. It smelled like dirt before. Now it smells like, it's a shampoo, and it smells, I don't know, it smells like clean, I don't know, just clean stuff. But the next thing I'm about to do is to make it smell even better is I have either this, it's a Little Trees new car scent, or I got this one from this local like detailer place. It's Woodsman. It smells like Old Spice, but like for your car. So I'm gonna spray some of this in here. Let's see if you guys can get me. Let's see. See, I kind of just like spray it into the car like this, like that, and then spray it on these floors. It'll make it smell a lot better in here. And now I do the front too, since I have it all uncovered. It's like the perfect time to do it. I know I did the shampoo, but that stuff won't last as long as this stuff does. So I am holding my camera so weird right now with the tripod on, but like that, and it'll make it smell even better. It'll probably, it's this smell with that smell should make it smell a lot better too, because it's not like much of a difference of a smell. But yeah, I hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little weird one because since it's cold out, there's no detailing the outside. It's 30 degrees out, and my camera's about to die. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.